Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, for today's video I have a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I have a Coach reveal. I have already unboxed it. It's an item that I'm going to have to either exchange or just send back. I have something from Saks Fifth Avenue, some artwork to show you, and a couple little summertime dresses. And I think a short outfit, because I haven't opened up that bag. I think that's what it is. So anyway, if you want to see all these things and hear a funny story, stick around. All right, guys, I would show you my bag of the day, but I don't really have a bag of the day. I haven't switched out. I took everything out of my Azure Speedy, and I haven't switched out yet because I haven't been anywhere this weekend. Well, Friday, we went to dinner. All right, guys, so yeah, I'll tell you the funny story. All right, so this morning I was getting ready. I was gonna go to church this morning, and I realized, no, I can't go. I am so behind. Like, I have several commissions that I need to get finished. I have an art student coming this afternoon for a private lesson. I was rushing around trying to get ready, and I grabbed what I thought was my toothpaste. Now, how I did this, I don't know. And I grabbed my electric toothbrush, and I grabbed the hand soap. It doesn't even feel like toothpaste. And squirted it on my toothbrush. You guys, I didn't brush my teeth with it. I came this close. But that's what happens when I'm in a rush, you guys. So anyway, I got ready for the day and with ample time. So I thought I would just go ahead and come up here and knock out this video. This is Sunday afternoon, and I'll probably put this video up either on Tuesday or Wednesday. Wednesday is usually my regular day. All right, guys. So anyway, I have something from Coach. I don't know. I just want to know if you guys have ever noticed this, but what I got is in this giant box. And no, it's not another Quilted Tabby. It's not even a handbag, you guys. But I ordered these. There's a little hint. I ordered them. It's not going to work out. So I'm going to show them to you guys in case you've been looking at them and let you know what my experience has been. I'm going to show you what I got that's in this big box, and I've had them. I think I'm probably going to just try to exchange. All right. So they're shoes. Well, whoops. Hold on. Let me get it out of this box. Okay. Hold on. This box, you may have seen these on the website. They are the kind of like these little motorcycle boots, and I ordered my true size. These are huge, you guys. Look how cute. They're so soft, so supple, and let me take some of this off and show you. It's very soft. There's a little C there. I love this look to wear with leggings, jeans, or even little dresses. I think it's so cute. And they're kind of distressed here on the toe. So I ordered my true size is somewhere between a 7 and an 8. Or 7.5 and an 8. But you guys, I put these on my feet, and I could just lift my foot up and they'll just fall right off. So I went and grabbed a couple of pair of Coach sneakers and some shoes that I have. And I have these sneakers, these Basquiat sneakers, and these are a 6.5. So I'm trying to determine really what size that I need. And I think these boots, they're such soft leather that I think I'm going to go with a 6.5. I'm just torn, you guys. I don't want to have to send them back a second time, but I love them. I would wear these with shorts. I would. I think these would be so cute with just about anything. Not in the heat of the summer, but kind of during, like now, the transition time, or with a little skirt. But I definitely would wear these with a dress. It's the first pair of Coach boots that I ever purchased. So those are going back. I also have these Coach shoes. Just these mules. I love these, you guys. I've worn these quite a few times, and these are a size 8. Oh my gosh. I don't know, maybe I should get a 7, but they were so big. Like I said, when I raised my leg up, they literally just, I didn't have to kick my foot. They would just fall right off my foot. So I need either a 6.5 or a 7. So, and if we wear thick socks, I guess a 7. I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted on this shoe dilemma. Oh, and let me show you this. You guys had requested to see more of my artwork. Now this is almost finished. It's not quite finished. So I painted this painting, this American Indian. The only thing is right here, I just wasn't sure what I wanted to go in that area. And I think I'm going to put, these are like buttons. I may put some maybe turquoise beads or like a medallion there. So that's the only thing I have to do. It's actually dry to touch. So I'm going to paint more paintings like this for the gallery, but this one is a gift for my son-in-law. He's actually Choctaw Indian. I don't know what kind of Indian this is. It's just an Indian, but this is a gift for him, and I'm gonna have it framed for him for his birthday. All right, his mom, she definitely looks like an Indian, and his daughters have quite brown skin and kind of that thick, coarse hair. Beautiful. All right, guys, so my next item is something that's been sitting up here a while. I've been so busy lately, and I fell in love with these when I first saw them from Saks Fifth. Just in this box here. I just cleaned this room up, and now it's getting messy again. All right, so Saks Fifth Avenue. And you guys, I love my jewelry that I put on and wear all the time. And I do switch out my necklaces. This is a Greek cross with the head of Jesus on it. And, you know, most of this stuff I wear all the time. I don't. This is just something I put on. And, of course, my turquoise. But most of the time, I do like fine jewelry and just wear it and shower in it. But sometimes I like fun jewelry. And I do love designer jewelry, but this is something that, well, this is the brand. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. It comes with this pretty silk dust bag. Ettika? 3 bracelets, a set of 3 bracelets. And I've seen other brands have bracelets just like this. So let's check these out. Comes in this little bag here. They're stacking bracelets. So this is the gold one. I think costume jewelry can really elevate your look. And then there's a silver one. And a rose gold. How pretty is that? I think that is so pretty. Ah, it's kind of boho to me. Now, my wrists are very tiny. You see that? But they're... I guess, yeah, they could fall off, but I don't think they would. I'm comfortable with it. I guess if I put my hand down like that and shook it, they could fall off. But I do have very tiny wrists for some reason. I wish the rest of me was tiny like Cammie. I don't know if you guys know this, but she is 5'1" and small framed for reference. We should all be so lucky, right? I don't think she could wear these, but there are other brands. I think there's is there a Victoria Emerson brand, I think? Anyway, whatever. But I love the look of these. And yeah, very cute. Very chic. So I got these. All right. Okay, so also I got a couple of dresses. I had a little short outfit that I had ordered, but it hasn't come in yet. So anyway, I ordered a couple of dresses from Nordstrom in this box. I needed some new dresses. I love to wear dresses. And I haven't went to church in years. We went to church Easter, you guys, and it made me feel so good. It made my soul feel good. And I want to continue going to church. I mean, I'm sure I won't every Sunday, but it is a good feeling. So I bought a couple cute dresses to wear. And this one is just kind of a little black and white gingham check. I need to hurry. My student's coming soon. Every time I come up here and film, something's going on. I do have a very busy life. All right. So it's just so cute. Just this little cute little simple dress, kind of below the elbow. And then it has this look here. I could wear these with some in the summertime. This dress with my little black Oran sandals or some little nude sandals or even sneakers. And because you can't tell what it looks like, I will post a picture up here of the model wearing it. So I will link these items below. They were very inexpensive, maybe $69. It doesn't have the price on there. I can't remember. But anyway, this feels so good and breathable. So I got that little dress. I cleaned out my closet this week, you guys, and sold a bunch of my clothes. It's not that I'm changing my style. I'm just freshening up a bit. Because every now and then you have to purge. And I'm not one to wear, well, I do wear florals. But this is an entire floral. I do wear florals. What am I saying? Never mind. Okay, let's open this one up. I haven't tried these on. I'm going to cry if they're too big. I don't know why. I have lost a little bit of weight, but I don't want these dresses tight on me. Is this one a large? I think a 10-12, and I wear anywhere from an 8 to a 10-12. Oh, this is a medium large. This will be fine because it's loose. All right, and then this one again, I will post the model wearing this little dress so you can see it. This one is a medium. Oh, okay, good. And it is the brand Petal and Pup. Both of them are. I noticed I really liked their styles. It's just a little flowy, summery, cottony, breezy dress. This one's longer. Ah, so cute. I think it'd be so cute. So I got those two adorable dresses. And I thought that I had the other outfit. I ordered this kind of little denim outfit with shorts. I'll show it to you guys when it comes. That's really all I have to share with you guys in the way of unboxings. But I love these bracelets. And you can get them, like I said, I will link these and I will link other brands just like them. I think these were about $49. And yeah, maybe they're a little bit big for me, but I think it's doable. See, I'm not gonna take my hand and shake them off. So they just kind of, you know, like that. And they're not real loud, so it won't be annoying. Yeah, I love it. I think this is so cute, and cute for summer because they're kind of stretchy. Yeah, so I'll link these and others just like them. I will link my headband. I had a lot of questions about that. It's an Amazon purchase. Now, I have a couple of other clothing items coming in, and I'll share all that with you guys. I don't usually share with you guys like the clothes that I get, but I have been, since it's kind of the turning of the seasons. I thought I would share with you a few things that I'm picking up. So anyway, guys, I think that's all I've got for you today. I do want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. If you're watching and you watch me regularly, please do subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. I want to get to 7,000 as soon as I can, and we'll do a giveaway. And it's probably going to be a painting, but when we get to 10,000, which that is eons away, I shouldn't say that. I should be more positive. As soon as we get to 10,000, I'm going to do an awesome giveaway. All right, guys. So, yeah, a little bribery. It never hurt anything. I used to bribe my kids all the time. What do you think about the boots? Why are they so big? Have any of you bought these boots and were they way off sizing? Because these would fit me like about a size 9 would fit me. And as I said, these are 6.5. So I don't know. I'm kind of, I don't really know what to do yet. So anyway, I may just call customer service and talk to them about it. All right, guys, I hope you all have a blessed day, a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Peace.